Hey y'all, I'm Ms.D'Licia and I'm a program facilitator with Girls Inc. Today we'll be going over a STEM activity and I'll be showing y'all how to make Elephant Toothpaste. So let me go over our ingredients. Make sure you have active dry yeast, any color food coloring, a 12-ounce bottle, peroxide, liquid dish soap, and warm water. To start it off, I'll put half a cup of peroxide in the bottle. Now, you pour it into the bottle. And now you get a fourth of dish detergent. And then you add a few drops of food coloring. Now you just stir it up. Okay, so I'm gonna sit there right there. And now I'm gonna start on the yeast solution. So, you'll take 1 pack of the yeast solution. Then you stir it with 4 tablespoons of warm water. Sorry, I just realized I had the wrong one. Stir, stir, stir. And try to get all the lumps out there if you can. Okay, so now I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, I'll show you what we're gonna do.
A few moments later.
Now that the yeast solution is set for 5 minutes, now I can pour it. And there you have it. That's how you make Elephant Toothpaste. I hope y'all enjoyed this activity. I want y'all to make sure you practice social distancing and make sure you wash your hands. I hope you enjoyed this video and see y'all next time.
I'm trying to clear nature and give it more soil. So leave a like on this video.